Morning, my dear students. Welcome you all to this session. Today's class, we are going to start with the new topic, multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial. Okay, so in that many subdivisions are there. Each subdivisions we are going to learn. Okay, just we are going to multiply a polynomial by a polynomial. Okay. That you can take page number 147 in your NCERT textbook. So polynomial means what? It includes binomial, trinomial, everything, right? So I'm just going to first topic. We're going to deal with multiplying a binomial by a binomial. In the previous classes all we have discussed how to multiply a monomial by binomial or trinomial, everything. But here we are going to multiply a binomial by a binomial. Binomial means what? An expression with two terms. Okay, it will be having two terms. So we are going to multiply a two terms with this two terms. Okay, now question is multiply. I'm just going to explain you this with the example problem. Okay, x minus 4 and 2x plus 3. X minus 4 and 2x plus 3. So now I'm just going to multiply x minus 4 into 2x plus 3. Okay, x minus 4 into 2x plus 3. See, when you're multiplying a binomial by a binomial, you should multiply with the single terms. Okay, so first you will take this expression x minus 4. In that we have two terms, correct? X is one term, minus 4 is one term, right? So first you will multiply this x with this expression. Okay, then I am going to multiply this minus 4 with this expression. Okay, I am multiplying this x with this expression. Then I am multiplying this minus 4 with this expression. Did you understand? First you take the first expression. You split that into two terms. I am multiplying the first term with this full expression. Then second term with the full expression. This as usual you have done in your previous class. X into 2x, 2x square plus x into 3, 3x. Okay, minus 4 into 2x, minus 4 into 2, minus 8x. Minus 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8, plus into minus minus x. Then minus 4 into 3, yes, minus 4 into 3, minus 12, 4 3s are 12, plus into minus minus. Then this is what the answer you got after multiplying it. Now 2x square, see, these two are like terms. I told you we have to stop until we are getting the like terms, correct? So plus 3 minus 8 is how much? Plus 3 minus 8 is minus 5x minus 12. So answer is 2x square minus 5x minus 12. 2x square minus 5x minus 12. So this is how you should find it. Next is your x minus y and 3x plus 5y. Okay, so I am just going to multiply x minus 5 into 3x plus 5y. I told you this is your first expression, this is your second expression. Two terms are there. X is one term, minus y is one term. First I am going to multiply this x with these two terms, correct? This x with these two terms. X into 3x, 3x square, x into 5y plus 5xy, correct? First I am going to like this, see, x into this term, then minus 4 into this term. That I am doing it directly. Okay, x into 3x, upper 3x square plus x into 5y, 5xy. Now I am going to multiply this minus y with this 3x. Minus y into 3x minus 3xy. Then minus y into plus y minus 5y square. Minus y into plus y minus 5y square. Now 3x square plus xy minus xy are same. So plus 2xy then minus 5y square. So this is the final answer. Understood? Next is your example number 9. Okay, just same multiplication only. This is one binomial, this is one binomial. I am going to multiply both the binomial. A plus 7 into b minus 5. A plus 7 into b minus 5. So this we have two terms. A is one term plus 7 is another term. So first I am going to multiply this A with these two terms. A into b, AB. A into minus 5 minus 5a. A into minus 5 minus 5a. Next, I am going to multiply. I got over, right? This a term is multiplied with these two terms. Next, second term. Plus 7 is multiplied by b as well as it is multiplied by minus 5. Plus 7 into b plus 7b. Plus 7 into minus 5 minus 35. Okay, so now which we have any like terms here? A, B. Any like terms? No, everything are unlike. So, AB minus 5A plus 7B minus 35. This is what your final answer. Okay, see in last problem all we have like terms. So, we have added the like terms. Okay. Second problem, A square plus 2B square and 5A minus 3B. A square plus 2B square and 5A minus 3B. I am multiplying A square plus 2B square into 5A minus 3B. So they have both are binomial terms. This is one term. A square is one term plus 2B square is another term. Right, so a square is multiplied with 5a as well as 3b, right? A square into 5a is how much? 5a cube, because a square into 5a is 1 into 5, 5. A square into a is a cube. Next, a square is multiplied by minus 3b, so minus 3a square b, minus 3 a square b. Next, this term is multiplied with both the values, right? Next, you will multiply the plus 2b square with 5a as well as minus 3b. Plus 2b square into 5a is how much? Plus 5ab square. ab square. Sorry, 10. Sorry, children. 5 2s are 10. ab square. Plus 5 2s are 10. A b square. Next, minus, plus into minus, minus. 2 3s are 6. B square into b, b cube. B square into b is b cube. Is this, they are, every terms are like terms? No, everything are unlike terms. So you should stop your answer till this. Understood? Next topic is multiplying a binomial by a trinomial. Okay, last method was we are multiplying a binomial by a binomial. Here multiplying a binomial by a trinomial. Okay, so I am just going to deal this with example number 10. Simplify a plus b into 2a minus 3b plus c minus 2a minus b into c. Okay, we have to simplify it. Okay, see, this is one more binomial, this is one trinomial, and this is another one term, right? This is one binomial, this is one monomial. So we are going to simplify it. Okay, now I am just going to write it. A plus b into 2a minus 3b plus c minus 2a minus 3b into c. Now, this is a binomial, right? We have two terms, a term and b term. A and plus b is the another term. So, first you should multiply this a with these three terms. Last problem, you will multiply this term with only two terms. Here, three terms are there. That is the only difference. Okay. So, a into 2a, 2a square. A into minus 3b minus 3ab, right? A into minus 3b minus 3ab. A into plus c plus ac. Next, got over everything I have multiplied? Okay. Next is your second term. Plus b into this term and this term. Yes. Plus b into 2a plus 2ab. Plus b into minus 3b minus 3b square. Plus b into plus c plus bc. Over? Okay. Now, this minus you keep outside. Open bracket. This 2a is common to this. And first you should multiply. Two terms are there, right? First term should be multiplied with this. 2a into c is 2ac. Next, second term should be multiplied with this. Minus 3b into c is minus 3bc. See, I didn't bring this minus inside, okay? Now, actually simplification means what? There should not be any brackets. 2a square minus 3ab plus ac plus 2ab minus 3b square plus bc, minus into minus, the minus into plus, minus 2ac minus into minus plus 3bc. Now every brackets are over, right? Next what we have to do? We have to arrange the like terms together. Now listen, AB terms 1, 2, that's all. BC terms, CA terms, then A square, B square. So first I am writing A square terms, 2A square minus 3B square, correct? 2A square minus 3B square. This is all single term, so I have written separately. Next, minus 3AB plus 2AB. So what is the answer? Minus 3AB plus 2AB means minus AB, which means minus 1AB. That I have written minus AB. Next, BC term, plus BC plus BC plus 3BC. So, plus 4BC, because here plus 1 plus 3 above plus 4BC. Next, plus AC minus 2AC. What is the answer? Minus AC, which means plus 1 minus 2 into AC, correct? Appo minus 1 AC, which is nothing but minus AC. So, do you have any like terms here? No. So, everything are unlike. So, this is what the simplified form of that given expression. So, simplified form, it is easy, but you should do it very carefully, okay? Not like as usual you are doing other problems. It is somewhat different, okay? Now, we can start with exercise 9.4. First problem, okay, multiply the binomials, okay, just we are going to multiply the binomials as usual. 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. So first I am writing 2x plus 5 into 4x minus 3. Okay, so what is a binomial? They have two terms, right? So first this is one term, this is one term, right? So first this 2x is multiplied with 4x. Then this 2x is multiplied with 3. Then you will go to the second term. Plus 5 is multiplied by 4x. Plus 5 is multiplied by minus 3. Okay, so 2x into 4x is 2 4s are 8. X into x, x square. Then 2x into minus 3 minus 2 3s are 6, x. Next, I have completed this multiplication. Next, we'll go to the plus 5. Plus 5 into plus 4x is plus 5 4s are 20, x. Plus 5 into minus 3, plus into minus, minus 5 3s are 15. Is this everything is unlike term? No. They both are like terms. So, we have to add or subtract the like terms. 8x square plus 6 plus 20 is plus 14x minus 15. Plus 6 plus 20 is plus 14x minus 15. This is what your final answer. Okay. Next is your second problem. Y minus 8 and 3y minus 4. Y minus 8 and 3y minus 4. So just we are going to multiply it. Y minus 8 into 3y minus 4. Okay. Now binomial has two terms, right? this is y is one term, minus 8 is one term, right? Now y is multiplied by 3y and y is multiplied by minus 4. Then minus 8 is multiplied by 3y, minus 8 is multiplied by minus 4. Okay, y into 3y is how much? 3y square. Y into minus 4, minus 4y. Next, minus 8 into 3y, minus 8 3s are 24y. Minus 8 into minus 4, minus into minus, plus 8 4s are 32. Is this everything unlike term? No. These two are like terms. So, 3y square minus 4 minus 24 is minus 28y plus 32. Minus 4 minus 24 is minus 28y plus 32. Everything are here are everything are unlike terms. So you should stop till this. Understood? Your fourth and your fifth problem is your homework. Okay. Next is your sixth problem. See, this is somewhat, it is different when compared to other problems. It is something different. Okay. Your fourth and your fifth problem I have given you as a homework. See, first I'll teach you the sixth problem, then I'll go to the third problem. Okay. 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square and 4 into a square minus 2b into b square. I am just going to multiply these two. Okay. 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square into 4 into a square minus 2 by 3 b square. Just I have to multiply these two. See, it should look like a binomial. These two are binomial. But this is also a binomial. But one extra 4 is which is kept outside. So you can bring that 4 inside. Because I need like this some bracket. Everything should be inside the bracket. Like that I want for my convenience. So here this 4 is outside. So I am bringing both inside. So 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square into 4 is multiplied with a square. So 4 into a square, 4a square minus 4 into minus 2 by 3. What is the answer? 4 into minus 2 by 3 means 4 2s are 8 plus into minus divided by 3 into b square. Listen, 4 into minus 2 by 3 means 4 2s are 8 plus into minus divided by 1 into 3, 3b square. So now I have got as usual, right? Now this is two terms, so we can multiply individually. Okay. So see, I am doing it individually like usually what we have done in the example. 3 by 4 in a square into 4a square. Correct? 3 by 4 a square into a square. This is what I am going to do it first. What is the answer now for that? 4 cancel. So 3 a power 4. Next 3 by 4 a square into minus 8 by 3 b square. See children, first I have multiplied this term with 4a square. Separately you can multiply it and find the answer. Then you can substitute there. Okay, for my convenience, 4 cancel, about 3 a power 4. Here, 3 by 4 a square into minus 8 by 3 b square. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. 1 into 2, 2, a square, b square, plus into minus. About what is answer? Minus 2a square b square. Now this term got over. Next 3b square. 3b square multiplied with 4a and then it is multiplied with minus 8 by 3b square. So now plus 3b square into 4a square. Is there anything to cancel? No. 3 4s are 12, b square a square or a square b square, anything it is same. Next plus 3b square into minus 8 by 3 b square. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So 1 plus 1 into minus 8 is minus 8. B square into b square, b power 4. So I got 4 terms now. Now write everything together. 3a power 4 minus 2a square b square plus 12a square b square minus 8b power 4, because these are the 4 things which we have to find. So I have arranged them together. 3a power 4 minus 2a square b square. Nothing it is there, so plus 12a square b square minus 8b power 4. Now these two are like terms, correct? Now 3a power 4 minus 2 plus 12 is plus 10a square b square minus 8b power 4. Everything are unlike terms. So we have found the answer. Okay, this is what your 6th problem. Next, what is the next problem? Third problem I have missed out in between, that I am going to do here. 2 by 5L minus 0.5 M and 2.5L plus 0.5 M. Okay, so this is what your third problem which I am going to do here. As usual, 2.5L minus 0.5 M into 2.5L plus 0.5 M. So first I am going to multiply this term with this 2. Correct? So 2.5 into 2.5, what is the answer? 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 12, 5 2s are 10, so 4, 5, 6, 25. So what is the answer? 6.25. 2.5 into 2.5 is 6.25 L square, because L into L. Then 2.5 into 0.5. Okay. 2.5 into 0.5 is 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 12 plus 1.25, because it is 125. So 1.25 L into M, LM, minus 0.5 into 2.5 minus 1.25 LM. Then minus 0.5 into 0.5 minus 0.25, because 5 5s are 25, 2 digits if you shift, then minus 0.25 M into M, M square. Okay, so plus these two are like terms, correct? Plus 1.25 minus 1.25, 0. So you can neglect both the terms. So what is the final answer? 6.25 L square minus 0.25 M square. So this is what your final answer. Understood? Because see, plus 1.25 minus 1.25, you will get 0. So I am neglecting both the terms. So I am writing only 6.25 L square minus 0.25 M square. This is what your final answer. Understood? Today's class we have discussed about this exercise 9.4, how to multiply a binomial with a binomial. Yes, and I have given first problem, 4th and 5th subdivision is your homework. So do it very carefully because it's new to you. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.